Good morning, student. Let's start practical portion of chapter number 6, that is dissolution of partnership firm. Simply, what was the meaning of dissolution of partnership firm? I told you it simply means the firm closed down its business and comes to an end. At this time, all assets are sold and liabilities are paid off. What is the accounting procedure on dissolution of partnership firm? Means which account we need to prepare. First one is realization account, second partners loan account, partners capital account, and cash or bank account. I also discussed with you the sequence of payment at the time of dissolution of firm when we are selling out our assets, and then what is the sequence of making payment from the realized amount, from the asset realized amount. First one is we have to prepare realization account. In this account we sold all the assets and paid all outside liabilities. Then if amount left, then we pay partners loan account, then partners capital balance, and at last we prepare cash or bank account. Clear? So first of all, see our main account, that is our realization account, which is very important account of this chapter, realization account. If you are able to make it correctly, then you can easily make your loan account, capital account, and bank account. If your realization account is appropriate, it is correct, then all other account will automatically be correct. So first of all, first step of realization account is you have to transfer debit side all the assets from your balance sheet. मीन्स अपनी बैलेंस शीट की एसेट साइड से सारी एसेट यू हैव टू ट्रांसफ़र ऑन द डेबिट साइड विद द नेम टू एसेट्स अकाउंट, लाइक प्लांट मशीनरी, कंप्यूटर, फर्नीचर, मशीनरी, एट्सेट्रा. ऑल एसेट्स यू हैव टू ट्रांसफर ओवर हेयर एक्सेप्ट दीज एसेट्स लाइक कैश, बैंक, partner loan. It is partner loan, current account balance, and profit and loss debit balance, which is given on the balance sheet asset side. Except these assets, you have to transfer all the assets with the same value on the debit side of realization account. And then on the other hand, on the credit side, you have to transfer all the liabilities from balance sheet in realization account, like creditors, outstanding expenses, bills payable, etc. Means all liabilities will be transferred over here except reserves, profit and loss balance, loan of partner taken by firm, capital balance of partner, and current account balance of partner. Means every liability will be transferred except reserve, profit and loss, partners loan, and partners capital and current account balance. As it is, you have to transfer from your balance sheet. Then next, on the credit side, if any provision is there on any asset, then it will be recorded on credit side by provision on any asset. Then next, we are starting selling of our assets. Suppose if you are selling asset in cash or by check, then we will write over here by bank, by cash account, sale of assets. Sale of assets means amount realized by way of asset, like by bank you are selling your stock, in brackets you can write stock. So by bank or cash if you are selling your assets in cash or by way of check. But if any partner is taking any asset, then we will write that particular partner's name, like if X is taking any asset, then by X capital. If Y is taking any asset, then Y's capital. If Z is taking any asset, then Z's capital. So we write over here partner's name if partner is taking any asset. Clear? Credit side, debit side, first of all we transfer all the assets from the balance sheet. Then second is to bank account for liabilities payment. If you are paying your liability in cash or by check, then you will write over here the word by bank or cash account. Means if you are paying in cash, then cash. If you are paying by check, then to bank. So to bank or cash word is used for liabilities payment. But if any partner is taking liability, suppose X is taking liability of paying creditors, then we will write over here X name. Means to X capital, liability taken by X. Clear? If Z is agree to pay bank overdraft, then to Z's capital, liability taken by or bank overdraft paid by Z. So if we are paying in cash or by check, then to bank or cash. If any partner is taking any liability, then we will write partners name. Clear? Then to bank account, it is necessary for realization expenses. Always realization expenses are given in your question. So realization expenses, for the realization expenses you will write the word to bank account. Clear? Now later on you will calculate profit or loss. If this side is greater than this side, then profit, and if debit side is greater than credit side, then there is loss, and this profit and loss will be divided among all the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Clear? Realization account. Next is partner loan account. On second number you have to prepare partner loan account. It is very simple account. You will start. What is the liabilities balance? All liabilities are having which balance? Credit balance. So we will write on the credit side the balance of loan, that is on the credit liability side of balance sheet. Partners loan account is given on the liability side of balance sheet. We will not transfer partner loan in realization account. We will transfer partners loan balance in separately opened account, that is called partners loan account, with the name by balance brought down. Because all liabilities are having credit balance, therefore we will write over here by balance brought down. Then we will make payment of partner loan. We will close it with the name to bank account. Suppose loan is 10,000. So we will write over here 10,000. We will make payment of partner loan. It is very simple. Now partners capital account, same as previously we discussed. Three partners are there, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. First of all, by balance brought down, what will we write over here? Partners capital account balance. XYZ, then by general reserve, if any reserve, any profit and loss balance appearing on the liability side, we will distribute in the old ratio. Then realization profit, and then we have written in realization account partner's name. Suppose on the debit side of realization account, partner is paying any liability. Suppose X is paying liability to X capital, X is paying liability. So we will write over here by realization liabilities paid, and here realization loss amount. If partner is taking any asset, then with the name to realization, then to bank final payment. This is our balance. We will not write over here balance carried on. We will write over here to bank account final payment to partner. And the last one is our bank account. We will start our bank balance from asset side with the name to balance brought down. It is given in the balance sheet on asset side. Then to realization asset sold. If you remember, we have written word in realization account by bank. In bank account we will write to realization all the amount by way of selling of all the asset by cash or by check. We will write over here. Then here by realization liability paid in cash or bank, by realization expenses paid, and here this is the bank balance payment, bank payment to AB and partners loan account. Clear? So here this is a payment side, this is our payment side, and this is our receipt side. Clear? So all cash receipt will be on debit side, all payment like liabilities paid by way of check or cash, expenses paid by way of check or bank or cash, or this partners payment to bank XYZ payment. Here we can write by X, by Y, by Z, or we are also paying partner loan, so by partner loan right over here. So payment and receipts and total should be equal. At the end total of bank account should be equal. If this total is tallied, then your question is correct, otherwise there is some mistake. So you can check the accuracy of your question by telling your bank account. Clear? So today we have just discussed the format of realization account, loan account, partners capital account and bank account. Tomorrow we will do its practicals.